So did you ever get the sob story from your parents about how they had to walk uphill to school both ways in the snow? My goal is to really equip you as parents that you're never gonna have to hear that sob story from your kids in the future. Location is key. Here we are, a rainy day. They can walk to school, not get totally saturated. This is your solution, this beautiful McMillan house. So when I first met this amazing family, one of the biggest things that I loved about taking the tour of this house was this bright, beautiful room with massive vaulted ceilings, all new windows in this property. They've done all the heavy lifting. It's ready to turnkey and go. You can make a few tweaks to make it just your own, but it's an amazing space. So had it not been raining, my plan would have been sitting here taking in the view, as I know you will as well. But hey, if you're curious to have a personal tour of this property, we would love to connect with you and show it to you, info@hardyteam.ca. Or if you're just curious about today's value of your property in today's market, we'd love to connect with you. Again, info@hardyteam.ca. Have a great day.